Welcome to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, karibu sana. I have tons of recipes, so you can check those out as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like it. So today I'll be showing you how I make my half cakes, or what we call kangumu. And without wasting any time, let's get started. So the ingredients that I'll be using: a tablespoon of margarine, you can use butter, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. I'm using lukewarm water, that is to mix the dough with. Half a cup of sugar, you can use custard sugar, and you can also reduce the amount of sugar. And I'll also be using a teaspoon of vanilla extract. For my flour, I'm using 2.5 cups of flour. You can use 3 if you wish to. So add all the dry ingredients to your flour and mix them all together. Once everything has mixed, add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract, followed by the vegetable oil. You can use sunflower oil. It's according to your preference, sorry. And then the margarine, and then mix all these ingredients together with the flour until the margarine is completely dissolved in the flour. Then knead the dough for about 5 minutes. You don't want it to be too soft and not too hard, so knead it for about 5 minutes. So once you're done kneading your dough, I've done mine for about 6 minutes. Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. So you can cover your dough using a wet kitchen towel or a foil, as I am doing. Once 15 minutes are done, it's time to roll your dough. So roll your dough, don't make it too thin or too thick, so that the half cakes cook well on the inside. Once that is done, cut them to your desired shape, whether it's squares or rectangles. So now we'll deep fry the dough. Make sure that your oil is not hot. As you can see, the dough or the half cakes are not rising, and that's how you want it. So you want to start on a low heat so that it cooks slowly, and that will ensure that all your half cakes have cooked well on the inside. Because if the oil is hot, they will just brown on the outside and the inside will be uncooked. So once it starts rising, flip it over. Just let it cook again for a few minutes. As you can see now, it's starting to rise even more. Then increase your heat to medium high so that now they can cook well. They have risen, as you can see. So cook each side until they are golden brown. So once one side cooks, flip it over and cook the other side. So now you can see they've even started to crack as expected. And they're also ready to take out of the oil. So take them off and set them aside. So once you're ready to put the next bunch, ensure that your oil is again not hot. So you can add cold oil, or you can just set it aside to cool for a few minutes and then bring in the next bunch. And the cooking process will continue as the first bunch. And you can see they are ready. Set them aside on your paper towel so that they can drain the excess oil. And your half cakes are ready. You can serve them with tea, coffee, or cocoa, and they tasted so delicious. You can see also the beautiful color that they have. There you can see they are well cooked on the inside. I hope you really did enjoy this recipe. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.